Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, magsasagot tayo ng current board exam from the April 2024 Electrical Engineering Board, Engineering Mathematics, and this is under Calculus. Pero before that, shoutout muna na sa mga tropa nating kay Joshua Galvez Obis, kay Zach Agata, kay Janelle Villaluz, medyo marami-rami itong mga Lodi Cakes, kay Kenneth Jan Boticario, kay Chris Maranga, kay John Michael Tualia, kay Napol Martinez, kay Kurt Carlo Garland, kay Jack Del Rosario Misamin, kay Kenshin Kaule, kay Marcelius Ordiliano, kay Lester James Bartolo, kay John Dexter Moya, kay Cristituto Luchaves Eras, kay Simon Lunar, kay Kyle Adrian Tanaka, kay Gabriel Hiterosa, kay Ben Gamutan, medyo madami mga lodi, kay Gian Mendez, kay Ray Lester, kay Angelo Gimarangan, kay Kenneth Bolo at saka kay Faisal Benito. Sa mga Lodi Geeks nating gulingan nyo sa darating na board exam this August, tama ba? Di ko lang alam kung kailan yung next wave ng boards, pero galingan nyo. Alam ko magiging engineer kayo mga Lodi Cakes, and more power sa inyo mga idolo. Water is running out of a conical funnel at the rate of 1 cubic inch per second. So first thing, dapat alam mo agad kung ano ibig sabihin yan. So that is dV over dt. That is the change in volume with respect to time, which is equivalent to 1 cubic inch per second, Sir IJ. Okay? If the radius of the base of the funnel is 4 inches and the altitude is 8 inches, so meron daw tayong funnel mga Lodi Geeks. Okay? Tapos ano daw yung radius niya, Sir Lodi Geeks? So that's 4 inches and meron tayong 8 inches dito na altitude mga Lodi Geeks. 8 inches, ito ay 4 inches. Find the rate at which the water level is dropping when it's 2 inches from the top. So first thing, kailangan i-consider natin, ano po ba yung sign ng 1? Water is running out. So that means na dapat ang sign nito must be negative kasi running out. As the volume decreases, the time increases. Kasi nagbabawas mga lodi. So paano gagawin natin dyan? So the first thing is that we have to understand ano ba yung binigay na figure. So the three-dimensional figure given is a cone in which the volume of the cone is given by pi 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay, Sir IJ, anong hinahanap natin? The rate at which the water level is dropping. So since water level is dropping, that must be dH over dt. Kasi sa height yan eh. Mga Lodi Cakes eh, yun yung pinaka-hinahanap natin. Kaya lang meron tayong R. How do we do that, Sir IJ? So kailangan alam natin ang relationship ng radius at saka ng height. So ganito lang yan kasimple mga Lodi. Huwag ka na masyado mag-isip. So that is the radius over the height equals, ano ba yung radius natin? 4. Ang height natin ay 8. So we have 4 over 8, that is equal to 1/2, in which this can be translated as R equals H over 2. Kasi ito ay 1/2 times H, magiging H over 2 siya. So ang goal kasi natin is we have to make sure na ito maging isang variable lang yung nasa kanan natin. So we have V equals 1/3 pi r squared h, in which our r is h over 2 and then quantity squared multiplied by h. So alam natin 1/2 squared, that's 1/4, h squared times h. So we have pi h cubed over 3 times 4, that is 12. So ano nang mangyayari, Sir Lodi Cakes? Differentiate natin with respect to time, parehas na side. So we have dv over dt equals itong 3, bababa. So that is 3 pi h squared all over 12 dh over dt, in which ang 3 over 12 is equivalent to 1/4. Okay? So anong hinahanap natin? Yung dH over dt. Ang sinabi, find the rate at which the water level is dropping when it is 2 inches from the top. Ano yung 2 inches from the top? So 2 inches galing dito. So ang gagamitin mong h dito mga Lodi Cakes is h equals 8 minus 2. Kasi 2 inches from the top, dapat galing sa apex yung magiging h natin. Okay? So that is equal to 6. So ano dv over dt natin, Lodi Cakes? Negative 1 equals 1/4 multiplied by pi times the h, which is equivalent to 6 squared dh over dt. So ito kapag sinimplify natin, negative 1, 6 squared, that is 36 divided by 4, that is 9 equals 9 pi dh over dt. So kapag ginompute natin ang dh over dt, isolate lang natin, negative 1 over 9 pi Kaya lang ang sinabi at which the water level is dropping. So the negative sign here indicates that it is dropping. Therefore, the final answer must be positive 1 over 9 pi kasi naka-indicate na siya na dropping. So that must be 1 over 9 pi inches per second. So guys, sana naintindihan nyo mga Lodi Kicks. If may questions kayo or clarifications, huwag kayo mahiyang mag-comment sa comment section. And maraming salamat sa mga Lodi Kicks natin na patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. And I hope you all the best. Keep safe mga idolo. And kita-kits. Bye-bye.